Let's be honest, everyone wants to buy a meme coin before it makes 100x. So today I will show you two powerful tools that will let you track exactly what top crypto influencers and whales are buying so you can get in early. And today we will be using two platforms, KOLs.io and Radar.fun. So stick around because this strategy could help you catch the next viral meme coin before everybody apes in. So let me first break down how to use KOLs.io. It's basically a website that tracks top KOLs and allows you to see what exactly they are buying. You can see their wallet, what they are holding, what are the recent transactions they made, and obviously the leaderboard. Right now, the guy called Casino has made 31k in the last 24 hours. He made over 200 Solana in just one day, and you can get his wallet just by clicking next to his name. And now you can just go to your BullX Neo. If you don't have access to BullX Neo yet, you can find the link in the description below. Now go to Wallet Tracker, go here, add new wallet, type in the name Casino, enter his wallet address, add wallet, and now I will get notified every single time this guy makes a new trade. And now when I click into alerts, I can see that Casino just bought another meme coin. And just by looking at his wallet, you can see that he's a very active trader. He already spent over $12 million on Solana meme coins. That's absolutely crazy. But in this transaction, he actually lost $100. However, if you go back to Colscan and just click on his profile, we'll see all of his trades. And for example, today he made almost 40 Solana on a meme coin called Amelia, so he can actually afford to lose a couple of trades. And as you can see, he's losing over 50% of his trades. However, he's making a lot of money because when he makes a mistake, he doesn't lose that much, but when he's right, he can actually get huge profits. And also on CallScan, if you hold enough tokens in your wallet and connect your wallet to callscan.io, you get some extra perks. For tier 1, you need only 100k tokens, and tier 2, which unlocks out 420k tokens, is coming soon. However, if you want to buy access to this tier 2 before it's released, you can get yourself the required amounts of CallScan coins for about $50, so it isn't that much. And honestly, I'll be using this website every single day for my next memecoin trading session because it is so powerful. It allows you to see exactly what people are buying. And for tier 1 right now, you can unlock yourself a new tab called Trades. And right here, you see all real-time trades made by the KOLs. And you can see exactly how long ago they made that trade. You can click on their X account or just copy their wallet address so you can go back to BullX Neo and add it to your wallet tracker, or you can click on their profile on CallScan, analyze which meme coins are they buying, if they are still holding or selling, and then judge if the meme coins they are accumulating can have extra potential. And now I will show you why actually tracking KOLs is beneficial for you. Because let's say that our KOL just bought a token and a lot of people will be tracking their wallets, so even more people will start to buy the same exact coin. And what is happening every single time more people are buying a coin? The price increases. It's very simple. And obviously, trading meme coins is all based on how early you can get. So if the KOLs buys early, just like right here, and he has a lot of copy traders, just like Capsi, for example, like pretty much everyone is tracking his wallet, then he can just wait after his copy traders buy in the token, he can sell on this top, sell on all the copy traders, and this is actually how they are making their money. However, sometimes when the KOL has a high conviction, it's a good narrative with the meme coin, he can actually accumulate this token and then later mention this token on their Twitter. And since usually they have a lot of followers, even more people will buy in the meme coin. So this is why you should actually track the KOLs, because you can not only see their live trades and maybe copy trade them or just see what they are buying and see for yourself if that meme coin can perform well. You can also front run the next big narrative, because maybe they will start shilling this coin if they are just accumulating a single token without mentioning on Twitter or selling. it's very likely that they will eventually shill it on Twitter to increase the value of that meme coin and sell at bigger profits. Because the more people see the token, then even more people buying the token, and they can actually tell about this token to even larger group of people, and then Memecoin can go to millions of dollars of market cap. And that's exactly the strategy we are going to use with Radar.fun. For example, this token Amelia was the most called token in the last hour. Almost 200,000 people were notified about this trade because 11 channels on Telegram called this token. And as you can see, this token performed fairly well. A lot of wallets I'm tracking were actively trading this token. And when we go back to Radar, you can click on this coin and see what was the oldest called. Somebody called it at 24k market cap, and it went to 420, which is 20x. And I'm not saying that you should be following every single call that these callers make. However, if you see a token that is called by pretty much every single channel, there is hundreds of thousands of people who see this token and the narrative is good, then this token can perform very, very well. And also when you click on the token, you will see the list of channels that actually call the token. So let's go to the oldest and let's click on the Shiba Army call. And here you can click view channel and you will see every single call they made, how long ago it was, what's the price they called it at, what was the highest market cap, and what is the current market cap. And you can quickly buy this token. And if you go to the settings, you can choose the quick buy option. For me, it would be BullX Neo. And the same thing you can do on the call scan. Just go to settings and choose the platform as BullX Neo. And as always, link in the description if you don't have access to BullX Neo already. So you can then just click on the buy icon and you will be redirected straight to BullX Neo. So with these two tools, you can actually see what is the new big narrative in meme coins, and you can potentially buy a coin early before it makes 100x or even more. I will leave the links to the platforms in the description below, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be posting even more videos about trading meme coins. However, all of the strategies I showed you today won't matter if you still overpay for your fees. So if you want to know how to set up your fees properly on BullX Neo, make sure to watch the video that's on your screen right now.